Rosy Meurer. Hey. Oh, my Tonto Dikeh competition, though. In fact, now, my people, the latest one. Oh, this one, I say I must not leave her untouched. Hey. For now, we know they are aware, first of all. This one don't born, oh. She don't born pikin. Yes, oh. And he attached King to the name of the pikin. King Junior Churchill. Person just dey look for trouble. My people now, as I dey talk to now, I don't know whether na because of the pikin wey she just born or because of the too much fake love wey dey go on in their lives. You understand? As I dey talk to now, latest 2021 Lexus Porsche present as gift. Now so she say Churchill don bundle am, package am, give am to her. I bet for now, we never see 2021 Lexus before. Join me, make we watch the video. I beg go before I mean they think say Churchill no get money. For all of us we know. I be that time. Maybe things don't change. Things don't, like, you don't understand, but you don't upgrade, you don't work hard. Meaning say money don't dey. For this man to buy this car, person way before, we know the matter now. Even bride price, Tonto Dikeh gas pay bride price, can't lie to us say na him pay many things. We know. So now if he use the money, buy Rosy. Hi. Omo. Wahala no, this one no be born straight wahala wear. This one wahala wear Churchill himself. Wahala wear am. Abeg. Now the same thing will happen to Tonto be this oh. He go buy himself car, come outside, they front am, they do this one, they praise am. Wetin we hear later? When wahala start, in fact, 2 seconds, everything burst. I bought it for myself. I did this one. He never paid this one. Nah, auntie, I no one here. I no one here. Say tomorrow you come outside. Come they tell us, it's not my brother that bought it. Oh, I bought it by myself. Mr. and Mrs. Siblings, from brother, sister. Now don't enter another level. Now they come, they show us car, they show us this one. I just hope say no be you, but me now my own be that oh. I just hope say I know why they repeat that, because if I hear am tomorrow, me and you, we go enter that skirt. Now your turn, so enjoy am. In fact, make sure say every day you just dey enjoy dey go, because the day where your cup go full, auntie, the day where this your cup go full. We dey wait. You no fit impregnate woman January. She go come born that same January. Abi? So it takes 9 months. Some people say they even enter 10 months. Ngwanu, we go wait, my sister. In fact, waiting is our hobby. This your case. For this your matter, we go wait. Oh. And in fact, I don't even feel wait safe. May all the kasala start the boss. Since you don't decide say for this life where you come, you know go get shame. Ngwanu me will join you, they shamelessly they go. You they use your hand now, they come outside, announce, and any small thing will happen to this woman. Now she they announce, and I beg, make I just tell you one thing, because I know say you they listen to me. Clear, in fact, point of correction. All this see where they come outside, they show us, they flaunt, they do this one. You sure say they happy. You sure say deep down, because my people they tell this every day. Social media, they go bring us only the part where they want me to see. I know this one now, just attention she they look for. She they look for Tonto Dikeh wahala, so that Tonto Dikeh go they see say, what he could not do for you, he's now doing it for me. Ira, you sure say you sure, as you they watch me now, you they sure say you they happy. They bring up on social media. They bring your matter online. Tomorrow now, you go come to tell us, mind your business. I no go mind any business, because now you they make up my business now. By bringing all this, why must you even come show us this car? You just give birth. See person wey just give birth. You no go focus. Okay, make my pikin chop, make it grow. You dey come outside now, they do this one. Very shameless. I never see before. Upon all the allegations wey dey against you. No be even say they make am up. This one na something wey we dey see. You still get mind. Come outside. All this thing wey they do, you no go touch Tonto Dikeh. Funny enough. E no go touch am because that woman, in fact, level wey Tonto Dikeh don enter now. Hey, una think say na that one wey una dey do ceremony, dey show off. She don pass. See, she don pass that place. In fact, the gap wey she don give una right now, you no even fit meet up. You dey bring out 2021 Lexus. This car, if Tonto decide today, say she go buy am, she go even buy 10. And her account go still dey puff. You go dey puff, dey go. Money dey speak. No be only this one wey they do it, they come outside this one. Everything you want copy. Everything you want copy. Now, okay, as you don't born now, for now we no, I talk about before. She even add King. Una no say King Tonto Dikeh change her name to King Totolet. King dey Tonto Dikeh name. Now she don't born pikin, come put King in addition to the pikin name. This thing no be clear sign say person just dey find trouble. Ngwanu we dey wait to make 1 year birthday reach. Whether you two you go buy star for your pikin so that we go know say Ngwanu you really dey follow. You know even you just get sense. You know just get sense. You just dey make it. You dey make am obvious to the whole world. Say Tonto Dikeh na your main priority in this life. If not, you for just sit down, dey focus on that your marriage where you even everything about am sef na fake. My people, no be small thing dey happen now. Hey, I dey sure say anyway wey Tonto Dikeh dey na just laugh, she go just dey laugh. My sister, they join you, they laugh because this one, in pot go soon full. Maybe we just wait. My people, now the case be this. So start to drop the comment for that comment section because I know say many of you now get many things to talk about concerning this woman. So drop her there and I go reply on her one by one. Make sure say you subscribe, or if not, you're gonna miss everything we get. And share this video so that everybody go know what will happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next story. Tattoo pandemic season 7. Another lady don't come outside now when they tackle people where they blast them because say she draw Bobrisky tattoo for her chest. According to this girl, she say many people don't enter in DM, they give her different advice. He say make una keep am, she no need una advice. Say make una keep her, una go use am for something better. After all, no be una body she use draw the tattoo, and no be una face. Bobrisky no be una relative where we go say okay una dey fight over matter. And the more una dey talk, the more she go dey draw the tattoo. Say if una give her a chance, in fact una see him whole body, he go just go make they just do Bobrisky on top of his skin as a whole human being. Abediko, join me make we listen to this mosquito way they talk.
Message is literally for those in my DM that are advising me. I'm sorry, bro. Your advice is not needed. Sophie, why did you choose to draw Bobrisky? Out of everybody in the world, you chose to draw a demon. Transform yourself to a demon so I can draw you. If it's that easy. It's not your body. It's not your face. Bobrisky is not related to you. I don't know why you are so pained. And as for those that are insulting and are mocking me, I'm coming back for you guys. You draw Bobrisky, you draw this one, you draw that one, and you are in a DM. Always on a comment section commenting if you are not a hypocrite. The more you talk, the more I draw. If possible, I will draw on my forehead, draw in my eyes, so whenever I wake up, I will see the love of my life. So if you don't know what to do, kill yourself. Rubbish. Drawing Bobrisky is one of the best and nice decisions I've ever made.
Oh God, naija. I dey wonder if people like this, when they talk this kind of nonsense, I dey wonder if they get family members. No, I wonder, just the wonder. I don't care anybody. Do they have family members? Because if they get, so the family members, they allow them, they do all this nonsense when we are just they see every corner. Madam, the fact say your breast don't they fall, you know me say you be adult. You understand me? So because keep all this your plenty grammar to yourself. See, nowadays, there's small children, I don't just understand. They don't they get some kind liver. Everybody just they tattoo anyhow. All these small children. No, go check them. Since day one, when we dey hear tattoo matter, go check their age. Go check their age. At this age, they take tattoo seriously, like say na one career. This world don't budget. Oh, this world don't budget. Those days. Even to paint your nails, those days, we dey fear. Like we just like you go calculate and face, you go look for excuse, wait till you go talk, wait till sometimes we go paint our nails as we dey come up for house, hide them. The time we dey come back, we don't clean and finish. But now, no, see. Everybody feel say they go just enter tattoo shop. Like you know understand, tattoo shop don't become supermarket. Everybody just they feel now, say they feel. Wahala. Tattoo artists now, they show say they do serious cash out. Tattoo artists. But I say me some I go soon open tattoo shop. Yes, because they don't know what to do with their money. So I go help them. I go help them spend that money where they useless anyhow. Before you become parents, make sure say you make money. Before you become parents, make sure say you make money. They're very, very important. Because if now your pikin they feed you, you know how you want correct them. No, tell me. If your pikin they feed you, how you want correct her, except if you don't want chop that day. You go just that day, just don't say no food for you the whole of that day. Try them. Now why many children they misbehave? Because now then they bring food on top table. And they know say parents now they no go fit talk because they know wetin they sup. No be so this one happen. Wetin be the one guy go drop Bobrisky too. Imagine after he drop Bobrisky, the mama come. Hey, Bobrisky, thank you, ma. God bless you, long life and prosperity. I know just make you no be saying me just the talk. I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
Hi, Bobrisky. Good morning, ma. Please, my son will come with you. Please help my son. My son draw you for their hand, yo. Please, God will bless you, mama. Long life and prosperity, yo. God will bless you. Bye.
Person mama now una just watch now. Shame everywhere. She even dey call Bobrisky ma. Like I not just understand. Una dey smoke foolishness. Foolishness now na smoke because I know that everybody just any small thing. You were supposed caution your pikin. Say don't do that, don't do this. Your pikin never draw you. Go una do video, una come outside they tell us. He never draw you, he draw Bobrisky. Even they come out, they bless Bobrisky. May our parents don't put us into shame in Jesus' name. Very serious. Because this one a serious shame. Bobrisky na the biggest canker one where they destroy this generation. The biggest one. And the thought alone of how the next generation will be like, even they make me fear. Because if this one, where we dey like this, na joke, then imagine the next one where go happen. I dey fear. Because see, now many of us go born. Now many of us go born pikin for this next generation where they come. Me and you. So I beg, we get plenty work to do. By that time, we don't born our children. And by that time, the system go even worse. Parents. See, thinking of this thing now in another way, because she also mentioned una hear am for the video where she dey talk say many of una na hypocrite because una go dey condemn am, yet una go dey go Bobrisky in DM. She dey talk true. This matter I don talk am before. Many of una go come outside public. Hey, they insult am, they insult Bobrisky, they do this one. Go check behind now then go dey hail am. If Bobrisky put something, they go comment. If Bobrisky do something, they go Bobrisky DM, they beg Bobrisky for money. We don't even know who they with us again. We they fight this thing, abi we know they fight am. I need know because for her to talk this thing, I be say it they happen and through me I don't see am. Some go even they put love emoji if Bobrisky post picture. Una dey fight this thing or una dey against. I cannot just dey understand una. Tattoo. Make una check that girl background. Very, very important. Check that girl background. Person wey fit come out talk this kind thing, no moral values. From the under to the top, no moral value. You come outside, you draw complete man wey get full gundus, pretending to be woman. You draw am for your chest, and you dey come outside, you get mouth, you dey come tell us, you dey come vomit nonsense. Oh my shey o. Parents, una need wake up. Now why I bring this matter here o? Una need wake up seriously, because this thing don't dey go off hand. And government, I don't say una don dey sleep since. Please wake up and do something concerning this thing. Bobrisky need to go behind bars. See commotion where this man just dey cause everywhere. All of una wey una dey claim say una get power, una get this one, una do this one. I don't know how come up till now una never do something about Bobrisky. With all the powers una get. Make I not go into that one sef. My people, abeg na the matter I bring like this. Una understand? So I need una support. Now why una need share this video? Because this thing don't dey go too much. You don't pass, be careful. So share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen. Parents need start dey caution their children. It is very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. Still drop those comments. I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.